Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Again, here's another one of our examples of our LS engines. This is an airboat engine making over 724 horsepower, 630 foot-pounds of torque. Phenomenal. Going to take these boys that own this thing, and it's going to really make it go on the water as fast as they'd like to. When we build these for the airboats, we use an alternator only, low March kit on this thing. And again, we custom paint each and every engine if you'd like, or we can leave them natural. This one happened to be black, and that's what the customer liked. So again, if you're interested in any one of our engines, give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Peace. Okay, Robbie, I got your LS7 441 cubic inch engine on the dyno. We're going to fire it up and do a dyno pull.